The idea portfolio is a moderator dashboard that displays all ideas collected in all campaigns across your community. It can be accessed by moderators by clicking on the profile icon and navigating to Idea Portfolio. From here, just like our member management dashboard, you can click in and search for ideas based on campaign, group, stage, tag, and many others, including pending ideas or ideas that are already in your recycling bin. If you click on the recycling bin, you can then search for a value, we'll say yes, and then click on search, and this will bring up all the ideas in your recycling bin. We can remove this search criteria and search again to bring back all of your ideas, or narrow down again by campaign and select the particular campaign that you would like to use. You can search multiple campaigns at one time by selecting another campaign here, or we can simply search for all ideas in this particular campaign. Now again, we can further refine this search by only searching for ideas in a particular stage. Now we can see all ideas in the Refine Your Ideas stage within the Sustainability and Impact campaign. I'll now search here and pull up these ideas. Now we can of course select all ideas or select a subset of ideas. We can take a bulk action on these ideas by assigning them as owner, by moving them either into a different campaign, or selecting the same campaign and simply selecting a different stage. We can also add tags. We can delete the ideas and move them into the recycling bin. We can link selected, or we can also analyze text for these particular ideas and bring out significant keywords, community contributed tags, or look at specific moderator contributed tags as well. The Idea Portfolio dashboard also gives you insight into how long an idea has been in a particular stage or since a last action has been taken on a particular idea. Here we can see several ideas highlighted in red simply because they've been in a particular stage for a long period of time. Under the configuration setting here, we can go to Edit Warning Colors, and we can choose the duration of time that we want for these ideas to be highlighted in a particular color. We can highlight ideas in yellow, and we can also highlight ideas in red for both time and location and time since last action. This is a very important piece of the Idea Portfolio, as it will give your administrators and your moderators insight into where ideas are getting stuck within your review process. You can also come into the settings and decide whether you want to include recycled ideas, reserved ideas, or off-topic ideas, all within this particular Idea Portfolio dashboard. We typically recommend turning on recycled ideas and reserved ideas, simply so as you search, you can find all ideas within your Idea Portfolio.